Hello everybody, you should be seeing on the YouTube stream, you should be seeing the screen of Lorna and myself. And I brought up my second monitoring, if you will. I am connected with Alex, I am sharing my screen. Hi Rick. What we're going to do now is we're going to demonstrate two ways, we hope. One way of which Alex is 99.9% sure that it works. We'll see. So earlier today, we did a stream on putting Macrium Reflect on your computer. I got to thinking, well, how do you use this? If I need to put that image back on my machine, how do I do it? And I want to demonstrate that with Alex by going and getting a program, a worthless, stupid program I'm never going to use. It's really small that we can put on the computer and run it and show that it's there, and then we'll do the image restore and it should go away. Isn't that our kind of sort of the plan, Alex? Okay, so give me a stupid program I can go get. Libre. One word, two words, oh, don't matter, we'll find it. So we're going to go get this one. I'm going to click on that. And this will probably be a very long and lengthy stream because I want to demonstrate the two possible ways this is going to work. We're going to go up to downloads. Can you guys hear Alex as well? Oh shoot, you know what? This might not be working the way, because I'm using my i7 machine to, why is it not, there we go, to broadcast what I'm doing. So download now. Oh, download here. Oh yeah, right here. Right here. Not seeing any download button. Go back to download. Download Libre. Which one of these do I want? Doesn't matter, right? We're going to get rid of it immediately. So we're going to download this. Alright, I got to jump back over to the old machine and figure out how to get your audio working. Hold. Click on the green. It downloaded. It's right here. It downloaded. Yeah. So they can hear me. They can't hear you. That's going to be interesting. Because I'm using the other machine, unless I change my source of me hearing this. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. They'll get the general idea. No, I can't. No, because Zoom is being ran through my new i7 through the Yeti. That's not going to happen on that old machine. But I think I can go into properties, and it is default, which would be my. Nope. 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 Hang on. I think we can get it. Just give me a second here. I just got to figure out why I'm not hearing anything coming out over there. If you could give me an audio check. Okay, that's on Zoom. Yeah, never mind. That's not going to work. That's fine. Okay. So it's downloaded, right? Right. So now I'm gonna run through this really quick, everyone, because this is just gonna be a throwaway program. Um, Typical's fine. Is that gonna put any bloatware or malware on my system, you think? Hit next. Don't necessarily care about the shortcut, but I do. So I'm gonna do that, and hopefully it will install relatively quickly. And the following applications use files that need to be updated, but I don't like that it wants to update things for my graphics card, so this is the wrong program to choose. Is there something we can get to demonstrate real quick that it puts it on the machine, we start it, then we do the backup? I didn't know it was going to do that either, so okay, what can I get? Obviously go to a browser. This one, Odyssey. Download for Windows. Yeah, I've used this before. It's actually a pretty good program. Let's see. It downloaded it, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It'll start. I can close that. It should pop up. If not, I'll go to. I've used this. I had a friend of mine who wanted to record stuff off her phone into her computer. If it puts a bunch of crap on there, it's fine. I don't care. Yeah, it was useful. That's how I ended up getting this 9-foot extension cord, because she. So I'm gonna go ahead and launch it. No, I'm not gonna launch it. It should have put a desktop icon on there. Let's launch the damn thing just to see. Yeah, it did. Cool. So now, as you can see, okay, I don't care about that. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. We can see the icon right here. We know it's gonna work because it just did work. And of course, now it's not gonna work because I said it would work. There's Audacity, and we're good to go. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to create a flash drive in order to demonstrate the two ways to do this. And we're going to do the flash drive first. So I want to open up Macrium Reflect. I'm going to open up Macrium Reflect, and now I'm going to create the flash drive. I've already got a flash drive ready to go, and to do that I'm going to go to I'm going to click on Rescue. It brings up a box. I'm going to use a removable USB flash drive. You want to click on the drive you're going to get it from, which is obviously a flash drive. It's a 254 gigabyte. So I'm going to click on that. Check for device missing drivers on the boot. Enable multi. Do I need multi-boot enabled? It's recommended, so sure. Then I'm going to hit build. I agree to the following, of course. You got to agree to this. I'm going to hit OK. And it's going to take. It is, and it's in a 3-point. It's in a 3-port, and it's working. Shouldn't take that long to do. Right. Right. It should not take that long to do. And again, this is going to be lengthy because we're going to actually do 2 image restores. One with the way that I understood it to work, and if it doesn't work, then we'll fall back to this way that I've been told this is the only way you can get it to work. And the reason we're building this boot drive is that in the event your machine itself can't start, then you can start your machine using a flash drive to bring back your image and be good to go. That's the reason, the purpose behind doing this. That's it. and it's taking a little longer than I really thought it would, but I got nothing better to do for another 3.5 hours. The USB flash drive requires reformatting. Existing data will be lost. Click OK. Or I can't click OK. So you have to confirm the format right here, and then hit OK. That should go pretty quick. Sure. Yeah. Yep. Yep. There's nothing on that drive. It's blank. So formatting it. Right. 170 per. It's a 687 megabyte file, so it's pretty small, and it's halfway done right now. So this is going a little quicker than I anticipated, I guess. The reason So there's going to be some moments of dead air on here, or silence, or whatever. Now it's completed. It says rescue media successfully created. So we're going to hit OK. I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this. I don't want it right yet. I'm actually going to go down here and eject that drive and take it out of there. Oops, that could have been a mistake. I'll verify that it's there before I continue on and go from there. Let's see here. Okay, interesting. This PC. Wow. Let's verify that it's actually this one here. Take that out. Alex, you're seeing the screen. Let me know what drive it is when it pops in, if it pops in, please. Did you catch it? We know it's got to be E, F, or G. We know it's not G because that's my. We know it's not. It's got to be. We know it's not E, so it's got to be F. Okay. Right. All right. We're good. So I'm gonna set that aside. Now we're going to actually restart Macrium Reflect. Is that Jeff or Greg? So up here, I'm going to click on the restore button. I'm highlighting it, hopefully with the control and the circles. I don't know what the delay yet, so I'm going to click on restore. I'm going to browse for an image or backup files to restore. I'm going to go down to my E drive because that's where we put it. This is the current one we did a while ago, about an hour, 2 hours ago. 7:28, 1:25 p.m. is when it finished. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on open. Now, I'm doing this on my own because Alex has never done it this way, and I'm just hoping this works because I honestly don't know. That's why we did the flash drive, in case it don't work. So we're going to hit open, and then okay, hang on one quick second here. Going to make a quick little change. You guys are going to see Zoom for a second. I'm going to assign a co-host because I want to concentrate on what I'm doing, and I want the co-host to let people in. I do have it closed. I have it closed for a reason. So now I'll go back to sharing my screen, and we'll continue forward. Okay, so Alex was saying I wanted. right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this right here. If you'll look, it says E drive and the image. So I'm going to click on it. Restore. He says I need to click on restore right there. Right here. Right here. So we're going to click on that. Brings up another box. And this is going to go from E drive, and it's going to go to the Sabrent, which is my C drive. So that's correct. Verify, right, verify the image before restore, and then we're going to hit next. And then you want to, right, advanced. Do we need to look at anything in advanced options? So we'll click on advanced options, rapid delta verify image, and it is enable automatic images verified. We're going to hit OK, and we're going to click finished or finish. Now this is where this will really get interesting, because the stream won't stop. But if this does what I think it's going to do, build rescue boot media. The restore must be completed in Windows PE rescue environment. Do you want to build? Okay, so maybe you do have to have that flash drive. Okay. Alright, here we go. This is what should happen. The machine is going to restart. This is why I'm using my old i7 with the OBS that's on there, which is very limited, and my fish cam. And there it shut down completely, which means Alex is running the show. And Jeff has joined us, and Greg, big dude guy, has joined us. Once this gets up and running, then I'll have a bug in my ear again. And wow, it did disconnect the stream too. That should not have happened, but now we're back. Hopefully we are still broadcasting. Can someone give me verification that the